My body craves this healing cabbage soup whenever I have a cold, says All Recipes member JGCASE, but it's good anytime. The recipe is based on an age-old folk remedy for curing the common cold. Let's start by heating 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a stock pot over medium heat. Add half of chopped onion and 2 cloves of chopped garlic. Cook and stir the onion and garlic until the onion is translucent. This will take about 5 minutes. Pour in 2 quarts of water and add 4 teaspoons of chicken bouillon granules. You could use 2 quarts of chicken stock instead of water and chicken bouillon granules if you wish. Season with 1 teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of ground black pepper or to taste. Bring the soup to a boil and then stir in half of a head of cabbage that's been cored and coarsely chopped. Simmer the soup until the cabbage wilts, about 10 minutes. Now, stir in 1 14.5-ounce can of Italian-styled stewed diced tomatoes that have been drained. Return the soup to a boil and simmer it for 15 to 30 minutes, stirring often. And that's it. It's ready to serve. All Recipes member Heather, who gives Healing Cabbage Soup a 5-star rating, made this soup for its healing benefits, but says she ended up loving it so much she'd make it anytime.